Hi, this is John, and in this clip we will be installing our mounting plate. Our mounting plate bracket comes with 2 screws. The long flat piece will go up against our blue box that we've installed, and that will be fastened on with our screws. And then this threaded piece that hangs down, that is what the light fixture is going to fit onto, and this nut at the bottom will hold that light fixture up. I always recommend just starting one of the screws then you can slip that mounting plate onto that screw and install your second screw. If you're using a drill, when installing these, make sure you don't go too fast that you strip out your box. And wiggle that around just to make sure that everything is secure.